If Lucidchart is giving you an error code, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to editing your diagrams as quickly as possible. These Lucid error codes can happen for a few different reasons, including browser issues, extensions, cache problems, storage limits, VPN conflicts, or third-party cookie settings. So instead of guessing, we're going to troubleshoot it the right way. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's begin with the fastest test first. Open Google Chrome and launch an Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and on Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Once the private window opens, sign into Lucidchart and try opening the same document that was giving you the error. This is a really useful test because if the file works in Incognito, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the problem. If the error still appears, then we know the issue is deeper, so move on to the next step. Next, clear your browser cache. In Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and the Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, then click Clear Data. After that, reopen Lucidchart and test the document again. A corrupted cache can cause pages to load incorrectly or break certain features, so this step fixes a lot of common Lucid issues. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is disable browser extensions. In the address bar, type Chrome/extensions and press Enter. Now temporarily turn off extensions like AdBlock, uBlock Origin, and any privacy-focused extensions. These tools can block scripts or cookies that Lucidchart needs in order to run properly. Once they're disabled, refresh Lucidchart and check whether the error code is gone. If it is, you can re-enable your extensions one by one later to find the exact cause. Now let's check your storage limit. If Lucidchart is showing a message like you have filled your allowed space, then the problem may not be a browser issue at all. In that case, go back to the Lucidchart dashboard and review your existing documents. Delete any files you no longer need, and if there's a trash folder, empty that too. After clearing space, try saving your document again. If you're close to your plan limit, you may need to upgrade your account to continue saving new work. Another common cause is a VPN connection. If you're using a VPN, close Lucidchart, disconnect the VPN, refresh the page, then sign in again and test the file. VPNs can sometimes interfere with login sessions, cookies, or region-based access, which can trigger strange Lucid errors, so if you're connected to one, it's definitely worth testing without it. If you're seeing CE013 or CE042 errors, those usually happen when Lucidchart is being used inside another platform like Canvas LMS. In that case, go back and first clear your browser cache like we did earlier, then check your browser settings and allow third-party cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and look for third-party cookies. Set it to allow third-party cookies, then reopen the integration and try again. If the error still continues, try opening Lucidchart in another browser such as Firefox, because sometimes the problem is browser specific. At this point, one of these fixes should have resolved your Lucid error code. The key is to work through them in order. Test in Incognito, clear cache, disable extensions, check storage, disconnect VPN, and then review third-party cookie settings if you're using an integration. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with the exact Lucid error code you saw so I can help you with more specific troubleshooting in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.